Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I'll be showing you how to make this strawberry milk tea, also known as a strawberry bubble tea or a boba tea, depending on where you're from. This tutorial will walk you how to cook the tapioca to perfection, how to make homemade strawberry syrup, and how to prepare the black tea. We'll also show you how to serve the bubble tea. So without much ado, let's get started. Alright, so we'll start by preparing the tapioca pearls. So when you first get them, you'll find that they're hard and white prior to cooking. So what you want to do is boil some water and then turn down the heat. And then you want to pour in your tapioca pearls and then just simmer them for about half an hour. Really, you just follow the instructions of the manufacturer. And then you want to leave it to rest for about 5 minutes once you turn off the heat. And then scoop it out of the hot water and place it in cold water. So that's what I'm doing. So you want to scoop out all of your boba pearls from the hot water after they've cooked into some cold water. So what that does is it helps the boba pearls become springy and chewy. Now here I'm adding some sugar, and what will happen is that it will absorb some of that sugar sweetness and become, a little sweeter. So next we're going to start working on our strawberry syrup. The great thing about this is that you get to control the amount of sugar that you put into your strawberry syrup. So what you start off with is by cleaning and hulling your strawberries. Here I'm using fresh strawberries, but you can also use frozen strawberries if that's all you have. And then in your typical strawberry syrup, so here you see I'm adding some sugar, and then I'm going to add some water. So in your typical sugar syrup recipe, you have 1 part sugar to 1 part water. But in my case, I have about 1 to 3/4 ratio. So you get to determine how much sugar you want in your strawberries. So you want to simmer your strawberries until they start to fall apart. It took me about 10 minutes. It may take you a little longer, a little shorter. And then once you're done, you just want to leave it to sit for about 5 minutes before you strain your strawberries. Just a reminder that all the ingredients and tools will be listed in the description field below. But if you want more information about the ingredients and how I made this, make sure you head on to my blog, www.pirelli.com, and you'll have as much information I need about this particular recipe. All right, now we'll move ahead to making the black tea, and that's very easy. You boil your water and then you steep your black tea bags in the water for about 5 minutes. You don't want to leave the tea bags in there for too long, or else the tea becomes bitter. So after about 5 minutes, you want to bring out your tea bags and then leave that and let it rest for a few minutes until it cools. So now it's time to put the bubble tea together. You want to make sure all of the ingredients are at least at room temperature, or at least cool, before you start putting it together. So here I'm just putting a little bit of boba pearls into my tall glass, and next you want to add some ice. So that will help cool it down and make it more refreshing. So you want to add your ice to your glass. Next you want to add your strawberry syrup, and you get to determine how much you want. I'm adding about maybe half a cup into the glass. Next you want to add the milk. So the good thing about the milk is you can decide what kind of milk to use. You could use, so here I'm using like full fat milk. You could use, or rather I'm using 2% milk. You could use a full fat milk, you could use coconut milk, you could use almond milk. You could skip the milk completely if you choose. That's up to you. And then once you've finished adding the milk, you can add your black tea and then enjoy. So here you see I'm using a thick bubble tea straw, and what that will help you do is suck up the boba pearls so you can actually enjoy them while you enjoy the tea. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care of yourselves and have an amazing week. Bye.